So I ran out of deck boards. As you can see, I still have a section that I need to finish, and I also need to put additional screws here in the middle and over on the other end. The store didn't have enough. Technically, I could have gone to a different location and bought more, but I didn't want to waste any time because the baby is sleeping, and that's usually the only time that I can come out here and work on things. And so I didn't want to waste that time to go and get it, because then I would lose that nap time to be able to work. So I decided I'm gonna move forward and continue working. So with any elevated playground, it's almost always normal to add some kind of like railing. Technically, I could build this out of wood, which was my initial plan, until I decided to actually go with cable railing. I think it'll give it a more elevated, sophisticated, even like a more sleek, modern look. So I decided to go with that. Now, my plans are to build the house to take up the majority of the space of this platform and only have a little bit of just free play space at the front. So anyways, I know that picking all of the components for a cable railing system can be kind of confusing, especially if you've never done this before, like myself. You could easily end up ordering all of the wrong parts, too many of one part or not enough of another. Thankfully, Muzata offers a one-step railing system that includes everything you need. As you can see, I was able to actually carry the entire system up on this platform by myself. It was not heavy at all. If you needed additional help, obviously ask for additional help if it feels too heavy for you. But as you can see, it's not that difficult. The entire railing cable system is in this box. It makes it super easy for any DIYer like myself who's never done this before. This one-stop railing system comes in 3 different sizes: a 6.5 foot, 13 foot, and a 20 foot. Muzata even offers a free custom design service for those who may be unsure about the planning, designing, or budgeting at no extra cost to you. They sent over their 6.5 foot railing system, which is actually perfect for this project because it gives me enough railing for the front area where I'm wanting to cover here in this front space, which will give me just a small section over next to it where I will be able to add a climbing system, which you will see later on. I'm going to do like a rock climbing system so that my kids can be able to get up here on the platform. It literally comes with everything you need, including the posts, rails, and the cable. If you're in the market or you're interested in a hassle-free system just like this one, then head on over. I will leave the link down in the description. You can use my code Glenda6 for an additional 6% off. Now let's go ahead and start installing this. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out.
By the next video, I would have already finished adding the remaining deck boards and I'll be ready to start framing out the house. Stick around until next week as I continue this Playhouse build series. I love y'all, be kind, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.